This is Leia from Auraleaf, and today I'm going to show you the hip carry. So you can be holding your baby or not for when you have your this thing on. I typically wouldn't be, but Aura is getting tired. So I have my sling threaded already. If you need help threading, please see our threading tutorial. And the rings for a hip carry will go a little bit further back on your back, right there. Go right there. And you take your baby and you, so I don't have as much slack here because you don't really need that much, and you take her legs and you pull it through. It's just like the tummy to tummy carry, so please see that tutorial first. And I'm holding her weight with my left hand and I'm pulling with here. So say you take about half to 2/3 of the fabric and you pull it up across her back, and you leave fabric down here to pull up between you guys. Froggy her legs down, and make sure her bum is below her knees so she has a nice deep seat now. And the only difference here is for the hip carry, you're gonna rotate and put her onto your hip. This is only for babies with good head control and support, a little bit older babies. And then I'm gonna cap my fabric over my shoulder so that I'm comfortable, and the fabric is tight across her back. A little slack up here, so if I like, I can tighten by pulling towards that area. And there you go, that's the hip carry. So I want to make sure that Aura is safe, so she is close enough to kiss, fabric tight across back, bum is below her knees, and my rings are in the corsage position.